Ahoy, this is Zdenka. How to restore all video quality? You will learn that in this tutorial with the Aiarty Video Enhancer, which has new features that I will point out as well. Let's jump right into it. This video is brought to you by Aiarty. I went ahead and imported several clips. I'm going to select this clip of a mountain and share my whole process. As this is quite an old video, I would like to restore the quality, upscale it, and adjust the colors. When I zoom in, you can see that the picture is quite blurry. It's lacking detail, especially when you look at the mountains. Let's go to more details, AI tools. There are 3 AI models to choose from that will enhance the look of the video. They all do something different. Mo Detail HQ version 3 is optimized for restoring fine textures such as hair, skin, clothing, and natural landscapes. It focuses on enhancing details in footage that appears soft or blurry. Smooth HQ V3 is next. This model prioritizes a balanced, natural look suitable for general video enhancement. Last model, Super Video VHQ, is designed for challenging, low-light or heavy grainy footage. What I usually do, I select one depending on what I see in the footage, but I still try the other two and compare them to get the best result possible. I'm going to stay with Mo Detail HQ V3 for this video. The next step would be upscaling the video, as I want to restore all video quality and also upscale the video. There are many choices here. If you don't want to upscale the video, you just want to enhance the quality, just go with one time. I would like the end result to be 4K, so let's just select that. And just so you know, the upscaling is happening offline, so it's great for the privacy. The clips are staying on a computer, they are not going anywhere online. Now, when you move the slider, you can see the before and after look. To tune it further, to restore the old video, adding realistic details, a new feature has been added, and that is strength slider. So in this clip, I will bring it slightly down to make the details realistic. There are 2 more new tools below, Step Mode and Turbo. As it says here, Step Mode significantly improves image quality and reduces VRAM usage. But it also substantially slows down AI inference speed. So if you want even better quality, but you don't care about the exporting speed being a bit slower, this is what you can enable. The second turbo option is optimized for inference speed with a slight quality trade-off. So if you need fast export, but you don't care about the quality being a bit lower, this is what you can select. I will go ahead and choose Step Mode. The next tools are edit tools. Here you can rotate, flip, and crop the clip. You can also adjust the video and audio tracks separately. I don't need to do that, so I will go to the next color controls tools. Right at the top is another new tool. This one is called Restore Color. It reverts enhanced footage to its original color profile, helping maintain color consistency after applying AI models. In this particular clip, the colors are not adjusted too much. I see that the warm tones were toned down a bit and seeing more green tones. So let's select something in between, something in the middle. Let's bring the warm tones back a little bit. Let's adjust the colors further with the tools below. I'm going to increase the contrast of the video. The highlights in the sky, the clouds are way too high, so let's bring them down. Now the details are coming back. I will also bring down the whites. I would like to boost the colors a bit, so let's bring the saturation up. I don't remember what phone I was using to film this in Slovakia, but this video is at least 8 years old. Let's play with temperature and see how it's going to change the picture. I prefer a bit cooler tones for this one. I'll keep it in the blues. Let's adjust the tint slightly as well. I'm pretty much done with this clip. There are 2 ways you can export with natural high fidelity output quality. You can hit Add Task and continue working on more clips. Once you are done with those clips, you hit Add Task again and export them later. I'm not going to do that. I will go with the next option, which is export current. The clip has been exported. Here is before. And here is after for a comparison. Let me quickly show you other clips I've restored so you have better understanding how to tweak the settings to get the best results possible. This clip of a chipmunk is very blurry, so I used Mo Detail HQV3, but I toned it down. I started with the original blurry frame, and then I slowly added the AI model until I saw details. Here's a clip before and after. Here is another clip filmed at night, which has lots of noise. I used Super Video VHQ, and I also slightly toned it down. Here is before and after. The last example is this clip of a girl playing with bubbles. For this clip, I decided to go with Smooth HQV3 and toned it down as well about halfway. I simply prefer very subtle changes, highly realistic changes. And I also wanted to show you that before you hit the export button, you can change export settings such as format, video codec, and audio codec. Let's just show this clip. Here's before and after once again. Let's continue with extra tools and new features. You can create a slow motion from an original fast clip under frame interpolation. You can now change frame rate all the way to 120 frames per second, or you can enable half or quarter slow motion. Here is this clip in original speed, and here is quarter slow motion. If your monitor supports HDR, mine doesn't, so I cannot show it, you can convert SDR videos to HDR. There are 3 models you can use: neutral, bright, and graded. You can also adjust the strength. Audio denoise cleans up noise in audio, as the name suggests. There are 3 denoise models, and you can also control the audio further with these tools. As you can see, there are plenty of tools to restore all video quality while having full control over those tools, as now you can adjust the strength of the effect. I generally really like the new features. What I also like about Aiarty is that there is no subscription, you don't need to buy any credits. A lifetime license requires only a one-time purchase and can be used on up to 3 Windows or Mac computers, and you get lifetime free updates. You can find the link to Aiarty below the video in a video description for those interested. Give it a thumbs up if you found this video informative, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Meanwhile, I'll see you in one of those videos next. Ciao, ahoj!